We got the Mustang GT up in the air, guys. We just tossed on the Corsa Extreme system, got the stock resonator down there, replaced it with a double X pipe, and then we have the Extreme mufflers back here. This is Corsa's most aggressive option. Comes with two style of tips, comes with the stainless steel option, or it also comes in the black diamond edition. This is a valved system because it's the Mustang GT.
Guys, we just finished up the Mustang GT. This thing sounds incredible. Check out the tips. Again, this is a big decision, all right? It always has to match the color scheme of your car right here, classic chrome, but they also have the black diamond tips. All of them are available at Gexhaust.com, guys, or you can pull up if you're in South Florida. We have Oakland Park or Davie. All right, we're gonna fire it up for you. Let me know how it sounds in the comments and check all the links in the description, guys. Show us some love. All right, let me know what you think.